Hi, I am Ali Kavandi, manager of Nedai Darya Group. I invite you to watch this video.
I am Made Kava. I travel and then tell you all the stories. In this episode, I will go to Bird Park restaurant and show you the atmosphere and the foods of this restaurant. Kuala Lumpur Bird Park is too big and it is impossible to visit it in half a day. So you have to eat lunch somewhere around. And there is a restaurant in Kuala Lumpur Bird Park which have an entrance from the park and an entrance from the street. It is crowded and it is a line to order foods. You have to stand in a line, but the crew are professional and they do everything too fast, and they have different kind of foods, European and Asian foods, and the restaurant is a clean place. And also keep in mind that if you have the ticket of Bird Park, you can have some free orange juice with your food. In the restaurant, there is a balcony, which is a place for those who want to smoking and have a view of the bird park. Inside have air condition, but you are not allowed to smoke. And outside is for those who want to smoke, and there is no air condition. And we decided to sit inside because we had no plan for smoking, and the weather was too hot for us. And you can see it just like international rules, everybody playing with their mobile phones, even the mother don't care about her child. This is the food. So tuna fish. The interesting point of tuna fish is that the fresh one and the one from the can looks the same. Normally the products from the can is different than the fresh one, and you can see that green leaves, it is banana leaves, and in some Asian countries and India they use banana leaves as a plate under their food, and nowadays they just put it in a plate. So nowadays it is not a plate, but as a culture or as a fun, as a just for fun, they put a banana leaves in the plate. But in the past, they used banana leaves as their plate. And this one is an interesting fish. And I asked the guys, but I didn't find out that, which type of fish is it. It was like a raw bread in butter, but it was so delicious, and the vegetables around was really perfect. I love seafood and I love vegetables around the seafood, and especially these fish that I have never seen anywhere else.
Понравилась морковка?
As it was Chinese New Year, we had a tangerine after our food, and we went to the park to continue our visit.
بابت وقتی که گذاشتید و این برنامه رو تماشا کردید سپاسگزارم. اگر علاقه‌مند هستید در یکی از شهرک‌های ندای دریا همسایه ما باشید، با ما تماس بگیرید.
Click on like, follow and subscribe. Make no pain to your finger, but remove all of my pains and help me to produce better videos. Thank you.